Friday! We're Mama Kinley Grin today. I am just so happy today is Friday. We've made it through another week without each other. We're going to go over a couple of things for today, and then it's the weekend, and I will see you on Monday. So the first thing I'd like to go over is our number of the day. Our number of the day today was 312. So a different way to write that could be 312. How we write that in word form, 312. How we write it in place value, 300s, 110, 2 ones. Expanded form, 300 plus 10 plus 2. Over here, we have one more, 313. One less, 311. 10 more, 322. 10 less, 302. 100 more, 412. 100 less, 212. I'd like you to work on number 461 today, and we will review that on Monday. You had subtraction practice with twos. Here we go. You can review your answers. You should probably pause here to review. The other assignment you had was to do your Make-A-Wish. So I wish for my family to stay safe and love each other. I wish for the world to become a safe and healthy place again. I wish for my friends to feel loved and know that Shimizuno is always there for you. I wish for myself to see my beautiful students because I miss you dearly. Once you've completed this, post on Class Dojo. I want to see you. Okay, your next assignment was your equivalent fractions. So the first thing we're going to do is fold it in half. And then we can review, and then I'll show you how to make the book. So here we go. This is 2/3, so we shade in 2 out of 3. Then here is our equivalent fraction, 4/6, 4 out of 6 pieces. Here we have 1/5. We shade in 1 out of the 5 pieces. Here we make the equivalent fraction, and that is 2/10. Here we have 5/6. We color in 5 out of 6. We color the same thing here, and this gives us 10/12. On the other side, we have 1/2, which is equivalent, the same here, which is equivalent to 2/4. Here we have 1/4. We color 1 out of the 4 pieces, and that's equivalent to 2/8. Here we have 3/4. We color in 3 out of the 4. We do the same thing here, and our equivalent fraction is 6/8. This is 1/3, 1 out of 3 pieces. We color in the same, and that gives us 2/6. So this is our equivalent fraction book. You're going to need a pair of scissors. First thing you're going to do is cut. Well, the first thing you're going to do is fold your booklet on either side. So that it looks like this. So fold, fold. They should meet right in the middle. What you're going to do is on those folds, you're going to make a small cut. You're going to make a small cut on that same one. Now that you have 2 cuts like so, you're going to cut off the top piece here. Now what you're going to do, so you should have a little peekaboo, you're going to take the edges, place them together. You're now going to take the middle and fold along the line, or you're going to fold them in like this. So it goes from this to this. So you're putting 3/4 and 1/4 together. And then you're going to put 1/5 and 5/6 together. And then you're going to find the beginning. You're going to find the beginning, line them up, and fold. So then you should have an equivalent fractions booklet. You could color the front, or you can just write your name, whatever you want, but this is a very good tool for fractions. So it is now time for grammar. So you're going to get out your grammar, page 37. Let's review the rule. Using adjective that describes the noun or pronoun, be specific. A noun, person, place, or thing. So I got to get organized over here. A noun, right, person, place, or thing. Very good job. So it describes a person, place, or thing. So the example, David had a nice birthday. It was nice. Or David had a wonderful birthday. Wonderful just makes it sound so wonderful. So here's a picture of David, and he's having a wonderful birthday. So our directions, rewrite each sentence, replacing nice with a better adjective from the word box. So let's look at 1 through 3. Again, you do not have to rewrite the sentence. We can just write the word there. David bought a nice pair of rollerblades. David bought a nice pair of rollerblades. Let's replace nice with our word bank. David bought a sturdy pair of rollerblades. David bought a new pair of rollerblades. Or David bought a great pair of rollerblades. Now let that sink in. I think the best option is new. David bought a new pair of rollerblades. Number 2, he received a nice helmet. Did he receive a sturdy helmet, or did he receive a great helmet? I'm going to say sturdy. And that leaves great for number 3. He got great knee pads. All right, you're going to now look down on the second section, 1 through 3. You're going to replace the word good with sentence 1, 2, and 3. You can pause the video here, and we'll go ahead and get those done. Okay, to review, here we go. Father baked a delicious cake. David made a special wish. Mom served chocolate ice cream. So that was page 37 in your grammar packet. On Monday, we will do page 38. Today's next activity is scribble. You're going to get a piece of paper, create a scribble. Our directions say step 1, make a scribble. Don't think about it too much. Any scribble will do. After you're done, you're going to move to step 2. Look at this scribble. Does it suggest any larger shape or object to you? Step 3, add to the scribble to make it into whatever you see. Here is for an example. Down here, any additional ideas? You can do this alone or with a partner. How? Make 2 copies of the same scribble and see what each of you come up with. Is it similar? Is it different? Why do you think this? You can also make scribbles for each other. Take turns scribbling and drawing. You can also turn your scribbles into storytelling prompts. If you've completed scribble in a character, write or draw more about them. If you completed scribble in a place, write or draw more about it. You can also put 2 or more completed scribbles together and figure out how to tell a story in which both are featured. So, scribble with some writing. Scribble with some writing. I will be posting mine on Class Dojo today. Your work for today. You are, again, reading. What are you reading? How many pages did you read? I'm expecting you to read Monday through Friday. Your math for today will be subtraction practice with 3s. Your number of the day is 461. And your writing for the day is, if I found a pot of gold, I would. What would you do first? Then what would you do? Next, what would you do? Last, what would you do? An example, first, I would run over to the pot of gold. Next, I would grab the gold. Last, I would buy all of the coffee that I could get my hands on. That was a very bad example, but I want you to really think about what you would do first, next, and last. Sequencing. Remember, this is called sequencing, when we sequence what we're doing first, next, last. I look forward to seeing your scribbles. Please, please, please go to McKinley Elementary School today to get your packet. They are there until 3:30. I would grab the 2nd grade and the 3rd grade packet. We will be doing those starting Monday together. Please, please, please go check it out. I love you dearly. I can't wait to see your scribble. Mwah. Happy National Scribble Day. I love you and I miss you. Shimazono signing out. Scarlett and Jackie signing out.